Adams. Oh, it's not Adams. Oh, I think it's Dewhurst. What are these buttons? I think I've seen these before. I think they're Dewhurst, but I don't know. It's gonna be this one. Westinghouse. Oh, 15. Bruh. Well, they're not original, but at least we got to see them. Whew, shaky. Jeez. Riding rough.
Undershot a little bit.
Yeah. Very pink.
Wait, it is, we're in a car.
Or in a car. Or in any car. Pick a car, any car. Ugh. Whoa. Jeez. It's like a budget massage chair. Let's see if there's the original button out here. No? Modded.
There's no freight either.
Yep. Hey. Oh, bye, Johnny. Oh.
No sensor or something? Come
I thought
on.
I was going to lose you there.
Wow.
Okay, then. Let's get that shine one more time. Oh, this one has a different lantern.
Oh, wow. So it might have...
Same fixtures, though. And, oh, now it's going up.
Nice.
That's it.